Alright, today we're going to be cutting off our first Seminole Pumpkin. Got a second one coming in here, and this vine was going all the way over outside the garden. Everything was starting to look good, and then some deer came and ate up a lot of the vine. So we're going to get this off while we can, and then we'll have more seeds too. But I don't really have the right tool, but this will do. And these things are supposed to be able to stay good for like a year, I hear. But you want to wait maybe like a week or two before you eat it, something like that. I think you can eat them right away too, but I think they'll get sweeter if you wait about a week or two. So that's the Seminole Pumpkin. This is a pretty small one. You can see the other one on there is getting bigger. It's a cool little pumpkin. Does really well in high humidity. This is just how the leaves look. It looks like they have powdery mildew, but that's just how the leaves are. I think that's one of the reasons it does so well. And it seems to be pretty productive. Like this thing was taken off that way. It was starting to grow all the way around this, but then the deer came and knocked it back. But we'll see if it recovers. Either way, we'll be cutting this open soon and doing something with it.
So it's a little over 2 weeks later, about 18 days later, and we just let this pumpkin sit in the kitchen. And we actually harvested a second pumpkin off the same vine today. This one's just a little bit bigger, and we will wait and eat that in a few weeks. But Eric's cutting it up, and we are gonna make like a Thai-style curry out of it. And we have all these other greens and peppers and vegetables from the garden that we'll add, and we'll see how it is. So here's the finished product. It was very delicious. The pumpkin, it was a little bit sweet, kind of just like normal pumpkin. It wasn't any different, I would say. And then we added some sausages, and it was so delicious. I would recommend this to anyone, especially if you're in Florida or just somewhere humid. The vine grows great, and it's a very delicious pumpkin. So thanks for watching.